Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this session I'm just trying to find out inside Camarilla. So inside Camarilla we can easily finding out in stocks by using a charting scanners. We have created already a scanner, but here we try to do with the options in stock options mainly. So if the ATM strike prices where it is formed such a pattern, so it is taking a lot of coding and other things. So you may be going to ask, can you share the scanner? But it is taken a lot of time to create, but I don't know about the coding. One of my student and one of my friend who's developing this code, Keshav Chandra is the person, and I was thanking him, thanks to him because he created the code for me. So here in this code, it will be easily finding out what are the stock options which forming a inside Camarilla. So where you can see why the inside Camarilla is very important. So when any point of the time, if in inside Camarilla, there would be a breakout. So we can use in different ways, like a same day breakout or a previous day breakout. So that can be happen, and you can that inside Camarilla you can use it for positional one also. So a lot of strategies are available after finding the inside Camarilla stocks. For example, so where the stock forming an inside at this point. Okay, so after that, this level is key level, and this level also be the key level. So maybe we can keep the stop loss in between the levels, the R4 and the S4, because it is a very narrow and inside between the previous day. So maybe this particular day where we find an opportunity. So here may be a selling opportunity, and I will show you exactly. So 826 and 815 is the R4 level as well as S4 level. When R4 level breakouts, we can expect upside movement, and S4 level should be a downside movement. But in this case, market started with lower on this S4 level, and again it went higher, and it will be again a return back. And this may be an opportunity, the point where we can. But at this level also be the important level where it is broken after 2 days later, and it was giving you such a good opportunity and good movement. Okay, that is a main thing which we are finding out. Um, okay, so that is a opportunity where we can find out, but finding this kind of stocks is very difficult. But we will using a charting scanners, we will finding out. So you can see three consecutive inside. Maybe some big movement can be expected in this level as well as this level. So now as of now 819. So how do we find out this on a equity chart with the help of the charting? But if you want to find out options in a stock options mainly, so there is a coding. It's not a manual thing. It is not easy about to find out such a kind of pattern and such a kind of options, because if you are taken a single stock, it is showing you some 30-40 strike price both the call and put side. And I will be very much thankful to Keshav, and he was doing for me, and it is helping you too. And I'm just going to update this data. Maybe I'm just it is currently on the testing basis. I will be sure I'm going to update this on maybe on YouTube or maybe in the website, so whatever it may be. Just try to find how it is going to give you such a result. So I'm just going to do with the data, and I'm just going to create the scanners, and this will be automatically do it. But it is not about the easiest job. It is having a lot of effort done for me, and it will be helping you to all who are following my channel also, that maybe I'll be updating this. And let me try to just now that is completed, and we will be easily finding out. So what are the stock which forming such a kind of pattern? So let me try for this is a 14th. Okay, so how many stocks which forming a Camarilla R4? Let me try. So maybe it is tomorrow, and if you are using that, it will be showing you tomorrow only. But we will be fetching that detail one day before. Something like a Bandhan Bank and HDFC Life, SBI and Sriram. So these are all the call side which forming a inside Camarilla. So let me try, maybe we not getting that strike price also we will be mentioning. If it is an SBIN 810, so let me go for SBIN 810. These are all the strike prices which forming as tomorrow inside Camarilla, tomorrow. Okay, so let me try with the trading view. There may be opportunities where we can see tomorrow Camarilla if possible. Then we can see it now itself, or else we to wait tomorrow and to find out that. So Camarilla. Just for tomorrow camera. Maybe if it is okay, then we can use it. I think for 10 minutes. That should be not right. Okay, so let me check the levels. Maybe SBIN 810 call option, August. So you can look at this, the R4 level are inside between the previous one. So this is an, here it's showing H4 and L4. Exactly, you can look at the 16.26. That is a tomorrow's value. These are all the tomorrow's value. H4 is 16.26 and L4 is 11.64. That is nothing about S4 and R4. And previous day R4 is here and previous day S4 is here. So exactly this forming a inside between the previous day. So we simply finding out that, so if you want to check the previous day 19.95 and 7.30, and today's level is 16 point and 11 point. So that exactly saying this is the inside Camarilla. So how I am just selecting the strike price comparing to the previous day closing price. So for example, SBI in equity price, that would be closed by 803.65, and if you are looking at SBI in future, SBI in August, that would be 806.5. So based on the future, I'm just selecting the strike price 806.15. It is nearing to that 810. So I'm just filtering out 810 call as well as 810 put. So from that, if you're forming a inside Camarilla, that scanner will help you to find out those stocks which forming a such a pattern. Something like that. These are all the stocks, and along with this strike price like Bandhan Bank, BPCL, Chamber Fertilizer, and HDFC, Paj Industries, sale behinds. So from that, if any liquid and quality stocks, we can check for this for an opportunity for tomorrow. And maybe you can just check it. This is about a process of scanning that particular strike prices, how it forming inside. But if you are looking at exactly, these are all the stocks and these are all the strike prices. So let me check here some other tomorrow Camarilla next day. Some codes are available. Pivot, 12 pivot, CPR, next day pivots. Let me check this. Settings, let's show. I think it's not showing that. So maybe if you find tomorrow's CPR, but previously we are finding tomorrow Camarilla. I think here is the, I think same one, I think. Yeah, but we got a confirmation that would be inside between previous day. So maybe this strike price we can look for this, and if it is on put side, so here 14th, I think put side here, the thing, here call side 8 9. Let me check. I think there is no put. There's a total strike prices, and let me check in the put side. Here any prices? I think no, put side there is no stocks, so that's why we don't get it. But call, we have some stocks. These are the strike prices, and maybe let me check this whether it is exactly inside between the previous day, and also we can look for a breakout. But this is a big process where we are processing the data to finding out the opportunity in the stock options. That is mainly stock options for a buying purpose. And if we're getting that good opportunities by using this particular scanner, so we will be posting this on their YouTube channel, or even we can update in somewhere else. You can access this free, but scanner we can't able to provide. But what are the stocks which scanned? Maybe using a shorts video, so we can create it. But this is what a thing which we are simply funding out the stocks. And how I'm selecting strike price based on the previous day's closing price. I'll take an ATM strike, and if that an ATM strike price, if we're forming a such a pattern, I'm just looking for BPCL. The strike price is 329.5. So BPCL 329.5. That would be a strike price call option. Maybe that has also be inside tomorrow. So let me track. So previously, if you find any inside, but in this particular strike price, because the strike price can be changing day by day. So we are selecting the strike price based on the ATM. So it may be changing day by day, but these are all the stocks. Let me check tomorrow how these stocks are moving. And some of the stocks, Bandhan Bank, it is not moving well. And this was traded, and you can look at the volume and everything also. So here itself, we can filter out some stocks. Let me check tomorrow how it is going to work. I hope you understood the concept. Previously, we mentioned this, and now we find out how to find that. And thank you for watching, and thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.